You know how some foods just bring back childhood memories, and spinach might be one of those that made you want to disappear. Well, let's forget about the taste for a moment and think about how amazing it is for your body. If you ate spinach every single day, you do be surprised by all the good things that could happen. Could it really stop you from getting sick? Can it actually help bring down high blood pressure? And what about the idea that spinach helps you see better? We are talking all that and more. Better eyesight. Spinach is beneficial for eyes due to its carotenoids, which are pigments found in vegetables. Consuming spinach strengthens eyes, preventing sun damage and reducing muscular degeneration, which can lead to blindness. Consuming spinach during summer can help prevent damage from sun exposure and improve vision. Overall, spinach offers numerous benefits for overall health. Lower blood pressure. Spinach rich in nitrates can help lower blood pressure levels and improve heart health. Nitrates containing nitrogen and oxygen help maintain proper blood pressure levels, preventing high blood pressure from causing heart disease. A study demonstrated its effectiveness in lowering blood pressure levels. Boost brain health. Spinach can boost brain health by reducing cognitive decline in older adults. Consuming spinach daily can help fight memory loss and speech inability due to its anti-inflammatory properties. A study found that those who ate up to 2 servings of spinach daily had cognitive abilities of someone 11 years younger, making them such sharper than their age. Reduce cancer. Spinach is a rich source of antioxidants which have been shown to lower the risk of certain cancers. Studies have shown that spinach can slow tumor growth on cervix and prostate cancer. This high antioxidant content is a significant health benefit, making it a recommended addition to any diet. Strengthen bones. Spinach is a rich source of vitamin K, essential for building strong bones and maintaining calcium levels. Although it contains oxalate, which can hinder calcium absorption, it also provides other bone strengthening nutrients like magnesium and potassium. While not the sole calcium source, spinach is high in vitamin K and other nutrients, make it a valuable food for overall bone health. Do you eat spinach? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe.